For corkscrew, lie on the mat with your head down, arms long by your side. Bend your knees into your chest, take your legs up straight to the ceiling. If your hamstrings are tight, you can keep your knees slightly bent. You can also place your hands underneath your hips. Try not to smush your fingers, just support your tailbone. To begin the movement, press both sides of your hips into the mat, glue your heels together, bring your legs in towards your face, circle to the right, forward, left, and center. And then again, in, left, forward, right, and center. Always bring your legs in towards your face, pulling in and up with your abdominals before beginning the circle. Keep your belly hollow the whole time, especially as your legs circle forward and away from your face. At the end of a circle, you can add a slight hip lift, lifting your bottom 4 vertebrae off the mat. Lift your hips up from your abdominals. Try not to use momentum from your hips or your feet. Try to keep your feet directly above your hips. Control the descent of your hips from your abdominals. Tailbone tucks under, belly scoops in to lift and to lower. As you circle, think about your legs moving forward rather than down. To modify the movement, make a smaller circle. To challenge yourself and to make it more advanced, create a bigger circle. To add additional layers of difficulty, open up your collarbones, square the box, and create opposition.